Hi, and thanks for visiting our Angels Sewing and Quilting YouTube channel. I'm Carol, the proud owner and member of an amazing team of sewists here at Angels, located on Route 28 in tax-free Salem, New Hampshire. With decades of experience, each of our team members have a wealth of knowledge and can help you with your quilting, sewing, or embroidery projects. We carry a full line of baby lock and brother embroidery and serger machines and are proud to be New Hampshire's exclusive Juki dealer. We offer on-site cleaning and repair machine services, along with a wide variety of classes for sewists of all styles and all skill levels. We are all about fun and creativity at Angels, so please bookmark this channel and check back often for new videos featuring tips, promotions, and tutorials to support you on your sewing journey. We look forward to interacting with you online and in our store. I will see you soon.